Okay, good day, everybody. You remember about last week? Let me say, you remember on Monday what I said about the NASDAQ 100 that we are expecting the indices to fall. So this is the S&P 500. Let's look at our NASDAQ 100. Okay, this is the NASDAQ 100, the US 100. You can remember vividly I said I'm expecting price to fall because price, we have to fill those imbalance, which is the left behind imbalance, or let me say the trend line liquidity at this area. Let me draw a trend line liquidity. You can see it, the trend line liquidity, this area, you can see it, which is that is a break of structure. So we are expecting price to react from this open. So this will be our new POI, or where we'll be waiting for, or we can still wait to this area particularly because price can do a lot of things. Price can clear the liquidity more than you think. So we are expecting price to move from this place to give us maybe a react from here. We look there, or if price should break below it, if price should break below this area, which is this place here, so we are expecting price to come retest it. Price should react from this area. So that's my opinion, though. That's my opinion. Last week I was talking about the uptrend was a very nice one, so we are expecting price to fall in this week, and you can see it. So price is falling a little bit from yesterday. Price started the movement from yesterday. So let's look at our AUD. You remember I was talking about buy because price made a value change of character already, a breakup to the upside, then coming down to the OB, which is medicating it as a flip zone. You can see this setup. This setup was all because of a flip zone. You can see the break of structure from this area, a very nice break of structure to the upside. So we waited for a pullback, which is a reversal, and you can see the movement is going up a little bit slowly. So this is a very nice trade. If you measure it, that is already 28 pip, but at this area we are expecting 48 pip. Usually my trading style on AUD was it will have be just 20 pip, then I will have be out of the trade. But that is that. Let's go over to our US 30. Our US 30 is consolidating very much, so you can see it, a lot of consolidation at this area, a lot of consolidation. The market is moving sideways with US 30, so I don't know what is wrong, but my buyers still remain the same. I'm still waiting for the sell, or I'm still in the sell. Let me just say it, I'm still in the sell. So I'm expecting price to come to this area. This will be my only POI that I'm waiting for. Price should break, take out this liquidity. Price should come to this area, make a price action in this area, whatever thing that price will give us from this area. So that's what we'll work with by next week. For this week, I'm bearish on the indices, which is the index market, although there were news about the Strait of the Hormuz, which the Iranians are not yet open. So they've not opened the Strait of the Hormuz very clearly, but if that should happen, remember the indices will move to the upside. Let's look at our S&P 500. Our S&P 500 is still the same thing, bearish. Remember on Monday, so on Monday that was what we were saying. So you can see the market is consolidating, so we are still expecting the market to fall to this area. So for US 500, I'm expecting the market to fall. I'm expecting the market to fall from here. So I'm expecting markets should give us something like this, then we'll take any reaction from here. Then that is that. So that is my opinion for the indices. Our US, our DSY our DSY is still making downward momentum or still making the upward momentum. You can see it very clear. So this was our US, sorry,